country has the highest number of mud houses in the world? A. India, B. Mali, C. China. Correct answer is B. Mali. In which country is obesity considered illegal? A. Japan, B. America, C. China. Correct answer is A. Japan. Where was the capital of India before Delhi? A. Agra, B. Kolkata, C. Mumbai. Correct answer is B. Kolkata. For how many days can a spider survive without food and water? A. 30 days, B. 100 days, C. 365 days. Correct answer is C. 365 days. Which country has the most severe water scarcity? A. India, B. Qatar, C. Russia. Correct answer is B. Qatar. Which country remained under slavery for the longest period? A. India, B. Egypt, C. Poland. Correct answer is C. Poland. For how many years was India ruled by the British? A. 100 years, B. 150 years, C. 200 years. Correct answer is B. 150 years. How much does it cost to manufacture an Indian Railways locomotive? A. 5 crore rupee, B. 10 crore rupee, C. 20 crore rupee. Correct answer is C. 20 crore rupee. Where is the world's largest temple located? A. India, B. Cambodia, C. Thailand. Correct answer is B. Cambodia. At what age did Rani Lakshmibai pass away? A. 23 years, B. 29 years, C. 35 years. Correct answer is B. 29 years. Which country established the police force first? A. India, B. England, C. America. Correct answer is B. England. Which tree cannot be climbed? A. Mango tree, B. Banana tree, C. Coconut tree. Correct answer is B. Banana tree. People of which country use the most cosmetics in the world? A. India, B. South Korea, C. America. Correct answer is B. South Korea. Which Muslim ruler printed the image of goddess Lakshmi on coins? A. Akbar, B. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, C. Alauddin Khilji. Correct answer is B. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Which animal never drinks water? A. Camel, B. Kangaroo rat, C. Elephant. Correct answer is B. Kangaroo rat. BMW is a company from which country? A. America, B. Germany, C. Italy. Correct answer is B. Germany. Which is the coldest fruit? A. Apple, B. Watermelon, C. Banana. Correct answer is B. Watermelon. Which country has the highest obesity rate in the world? A. America, B. Kuwait, C. India. Correct answer is B. Kuwait. When is Gandhi Jayanti celebrated? A. The 15th of August, B. The 2nd of October, C. 26 January. Correct answer is B. 2 October. How many times does a human breathe in 24 hours? A. About 10,000 times, B. About 20,000 times, C. About 30,000 times. Correct answer is B. About 20,000 times.